My name is Curtis Conde, and I am the partner with GreenIdahoRoofing.com, and we are roofers. We are roofers who specialize in a Go Green package and a Save Green package. Go Green, if you want to have a little more care and make sure your material is the best it could possibly be on your roof, and a sustainable product. The Save Green, if you're just looking to save some money on getting a new roof, but you want to be done by the best possible crew out there, that's us.
My name's Perrin Mikitish with Green Idaho Roofing. I am the guy on the ground. I do all the inspections, well, I guess on the roof. Yep. So all the inspections on the roof, including, looking for damaged shingles from older roofs, new construction, things like that. I'm getting in the attic spaces, climbing around like it's a jungle gym, looking for any sort of water damage. I really enjoy it.
There's several levels to this, but I think at the core, I do this because I want to find a way to give. I've been blessed in so many ways in my life, but at the core, I really feel like I do what I do because I've been given so much in my life, and I want to find a way to give back. That's why I do what I do, because the roof safe shelter overhead, we all have need of shelter for protection from the storms that come our way, but the storms of life too. And I want to provide a shelter for anybody that's looking for that, and I want to do the best I can for them.
I would say the reason I do what I do is being genuine when I come to a house. When I meet a customer for the first time, a lot of times when I first meet somebody, they have their guard up almost, So really genuinely understanding somebody, getting to know them from their perspective, things they've done through their life. It's not even just about the roof.
So Ride for Recovery, I really didn't know much about it, but a good friend of mine who runs part of it, or if not all of it, his name is Chris Schroyer with A Vision Windows and Doors. And I respect Chris a lot, and I love what he does. He's a member of our Blue Collar Connect community, and Chris invited me to participate. And when Chris invites me to do something, I do it because I love him. And after finding more about it and how it's going to help support so many others, it's part of, again, why I do what I do, because I want to give.
I would say that one of the biggest reasons we support Ride for Recovery is, well, from my perspective, I've had a lot of friends who've dealt with addiction, whether it's drug addiction, alcohol addiction. It hits home for me to support that. People who are struggling with that or who have struggled, to get away from that and to strive to beat addiction, that's a huge accomplishment in your life.
Okay, call 208-682-8077, or you can go to our website, of course, GreenIdahoRoofing.com.
So you can find us on Facebook, Nextdoor, even Google. I'm sure Curtis said that, but either or, you can find us that way.